Again, unbelievable video, much of it new just coming into CNN. This is how it all played out on Japanese television. We have been monitoring it and watching the images of destruction, also the images of rescues, and people who are walking around shell-shocked because of what happened. Large craters have opened up in the ground in many places in Japan. This is a typical scene along where this tsunami and earthquake happened. That there have been fires. We have seen fires at plants, and also we know about what happened at the nuclear facility where there was an explosion and then a field of debris and devastation. We're told that many of these fields that you're seeing were neighborhoods at one point, but everything collapsed. Impossible pretty much to get around parts of Japan right now because the streets are covered in muck and in mud. Again, the devastation is unbelievable. We see train cars, buildings, trucks, buses on top of roofs, and of course the muck that they're going to have to clean up. And also happening as we speak, rescues from the rubble and that muck that we showed you. I want you to look now as a group of elderly people are rescued from a car after being trapped for days. Again, this is how the drama unfolded on Japanese television. Look.
Suddenly, there was activity on the roof. Someone shouts, "There is still another person." They ask self-defense force troops to help. There were survivors in the car. An elderly person had been stuck in this car. The person was rescued safely 10 minutes later. It turned out there were 3 elderly people. The car had been covered in mud and debris, and they could not get out. And for 20 hours, they were trapped in the car. This woman says that she was washed away by the waves, and that she was afraid.
There'll be many stories of survival in Japan after the earthquake and tsunami came washing in.
Now listed as missing.
Well, we hope that you survive.
Quake-damaged nuclear reactors have Japan's population even more on edge. Crews are using seawater to cool reactors at the Fukushima Daiichi plant. The last is moved to prevent further meltdown. Officials are assuming that 2 of the reactors went through a partial meltdown. Experts say the risk of massive radiation exposure
I even think I lost someone I knew.
More than
In the earthquake in New
200,000
Zealand
people
not so
have
long ago.
evacuated that area.
Oh, Japan, they had the biggest earthquake they've ever
The
seen.
country's electric power
didn't even
company
know
is
you could get
conducting
that
rolling power
big.
outages in 3-hour intervals
That's
to keep up with the
devastating.
demand. Japan's foreign ministry says 69 governments are offering help. The U.S. has sent warships, supplies, search and rescue teams, and 2 experts on nuclear reactors. And if there aren't enough problems there, now there is a volcano to worry about. It erupted today on an island in the southwest part of Japan, sending a huge plume of smoke and ash into the air. It's almost 1,000 miles from the epicenter of the earthquake, and it is not clear whether the 2 are connected.